One.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Roman and I am a teacher at Water School Elementary. This video is part of a new online training initiative by Chicago Arts Partnership in Education. Ms. Megan and I teach cultural dance as part of our after-school program at Waters. And the dance we are learning, it has to do with salsa, and today we are going to learn how to make salsa partners. The materials you need is piece of paper, a white piece of paper, scissors, 2 popsicle sticks, tape, pipe cleaner, markers, glue stick, a ruler, and a cupcake filter. So we are going to start making the girl partner. And the first thing that you need is your popsicle stick. And what I want you to do is I want you to make the shoes, and I want you to leave 1 centimeter long. And after you do that, kind of decide like a lowercase upside down M. And that's how you'll make the shoes. So we are going to color her shoes. You can color it any color you want. I am going to color it orange. So very quickly coloring the shoes, and it's going to look like this. So now we got the shoes for the doll or the woman. Then next I am going to fold this in half, and I'm going to make a crease to make the skirt. And I chose this very colorful paper because that's how salsa dancers normally do. They're colorful. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a little hole in the middle to put the popsicle stick. So I'm just going to make a little hole here and put my popsicle stick through in the middle, about there, leaving enough space for the shirt and for her top and her face. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to use that tape to secure the skirt in the front and in the back. Here is the skirt for the girl partner. Then after that, you are going to use your piece of paper to make her top. And her top is going to be like a nice heart, right? So what I did is I fold half of paper into another half, and then I drew a heart, half heart. You don't even have to draw the whole thing. Then you cut it. Cut it, cut. And make a little, make it a little bit lower here so that it's like the front of it, like a little V in the front. Then you are going to use your glue stick to glue the top. So just put a little bit of glue stick on your popsicle stick, and you are going to put it right there. Leaving enough, about 2 centimeters for the face. And then at this point, you already have the shoes, the skirt, and the top. You could cut the little heart thing, or you could fold it or put it inside the skirt. I am going to cut it just to make it look nice. At this point, I am going to make the eyes and the mouth. And did you see I use googly eyes? So it's optional. If you have googly eyes, use it. If not, you could just draw the eyes. So I'm just going to draw them for you right now. And I'm going to make a smiley girl, because you always, when you dance, you have to always be smiling and showing people that you enjoy what you're doing. So I'm going to make it, and I'm going to make the hair kind of to the side because that's how it is. We use cotton. You can always use cotton if you want to also, or you can use anything you want to make your hair. So I'm going to color her hair brown. And I'm going to color her mouth red. Because every time you dance, you have to have red lips. It looks more lively. And her eyes, I'm just gonna do them black. And you can always go over the eyes and make them darker, or you can color them. You can use any color you want, but it's basically gonna be like this. Now again, if you want to make hair, you wanna make it long, I use cotton, and I made it a little long, like to the side. And this is the girl, right? And if you want to do design in the heart, you can always make designs. It's your choice. Then I'm going to put her arms, the arms are 10 centimeters long. So if you use a ruler, that's why we needed a ruler, and you measure it, it's 10 centimeters long. So I'm just gonna put it in the back, about halfway. And use tape again and tape it, and this is how it's going to look. And you can kind of play with the arms if you can do it like they're dancing or anything you want. This is how the girl is going to look. Then this is the girl partner. Beautiful. And I can't wait to see what you're going to be making out of these partners. So that's the girl. Now we are going to make the boy partner. For the shoes, you are going to leave about 2 centimeters long for the shoes. And I'm going to color the shoes black really quickly. And of course you can color them any color you want. When you're dancing, you could wear whatever you want. Make it colorful, it's okay. Then I am going to put his pants. And his pants are 6 centimeters long and 2 centimeters wide. So I'm gonna put some glue and bit in here. And glue the pants very close to the shoes in the middle. So this is how it's going to look. This is his pants. But now I'm going to draw the zipper, like a little belt, and the zipper, and a little line in the middle, or coming all the way down to make it look like it's the legs. For the boy's shirt, you can use white paper. You can make a rectangle, and then you can make a longer rectangle, like a short one. I think it's 1 centimeter long by 5 centimeters. And you put it in the back. So this is how it's going to look. It's your rectangle and then the thinner rectangle on top to make the little sleeves. Once you do that, so this is the shirt. Once you do that, you have to make a V neck, because mostly salsa dancers, they use shirts with V neck. Now it looks like a V neck. Look. Now you are going to put it on. Put some glue on the stick and leave about 3 centimeters for the face. Make sure that V is in the middle, and this is how it's going to look. The pants and the shirt. Very simple. a lot of fun to make, and then you can play with them and make them dance. Now I'm going to tape the hands, the arms actually, and again the arms are about 10 centimeters long. So I'm going to use it in the middle again and put some tape. The reason I'm using tape and not glue is because sometimes since it's heavy and the glue stick doesn't hold it too well. Oh, I think it's a little longer, so I'm just going to cut it a little bit because it's a little bit longer. Okay, this is how it's going to look. And again, if you don't have pipe cleaners, you can always use paper. Make the arms. Use whatever you need. But this is like the whole idea. Now I'm going to use his mouth. I'm going to color it just a little bit orange, but the shape is going to be a little different than the girls. And the eyes. And the hair, I'm just going to make it like short hair because normally they have short hair. And you can use any color. Take your time. You can put whatever color eyes you want. But basically this is how it's going to look. So now I got the girl and the boy partner. And you can always have them dance. If you want them to stand up and just keep them for decoration. I use those little office clips that you hold papers with. You can use those as stand, and you can just have them. They look really nice. Again, if you use white paper for the skirt and the shirt, you can make your own decoration and make them match. That's really cool when dancing together. And this is it. Girl and boy salsa partners. Thanks for watching this video. Check out arcadechicago.org for more videos from teachers and teaching artists across Chicago. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy making your salsa partners, and I can't wait to see your own creation. Thank you.